Good morning, student. Today I will discuss about accessory digestive organ. What is accessory digestive organ? Teeth, tongue, salivary gland, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas are called accessory digestive organ because accessory digestive organ will be only those organs which are not the part of alimentary canal but connected to alimentary canal by means of duct and helps in digestion of food that we eat. Teeth. Before knowing teeth, let's know one word, dental formula, which is frequently used in teeth topic. Dental formula. Dental formula is the arrangement of teeth in both half upper jaw and half lower jaw. In biology, upper jaw is called maxilla and lower jaw is called mandible, isn't it? Now, let's know about teeth. We have two sets of teeth in our whole life. The first set of teeth is called milk teeth or deciduous teeth. It is also called baby teeth. It appears at the age of 6 months and fully appears at the age of 2.5 or 3 years. The total number of milk teeth are 20. The dental formula for milk teeth are 2102 butta 2102. Here 2102 butta 2102 means incisor canine premolar molar butta incisor canine premolar molar. This means the total number of milk teeth in half upper jaw are 2 incisor, 1 canine, 0 premolar and 2 molar. We have 4 types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Shape and function of these teeth. Incisor are chisel shaped. The function of incisor are cutting and biting. Canine. Canine is pointed in shape. The function of canine is tearing and piercing of teeth. Food. Tearing and piercing are the function of canine. Premolar. Premolar is only a teeth which is purely permanent teeth. It is not found in baby among milk teeth. Premolar teeth are bicuspid teeth having two cusp or point. The function of premolar is crushing and grinding of food. Molar. Molar is tetracuspid, having four cusps. The function of molar teeth is also crushing and grinding the food. Crushing and grinding the food. Dental formula for permanent teeth, which is also called adult teeth, is 2123 बट्टा 2123, where 2123 बट्टा 2123 represents 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 premolar and 3 molar. That is incisor, 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 premolar, 3 molar बट्टा 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 premolar, 3 molar. Total number of permanent teeth is 32 in numbers. Permanent teeth starts appearing at the age between 6 years to 11 years, during which milk teeth gradually uprooted. Between age 6 years to 11 years. Teeth helps in mechanical digestion of food. Tongue. Let's know now about tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ, that is solid muscular organ. Tongue is also called lingual organ. Tongue is attached to the floor of buccal cavity by means of frenulum. Frenulum, that is Frenulum. Frenulum. By means of frenulum, tongue is attached to the floor of buccal cavity. The external surface of tongue appears rough. Why? This is because on the external surface of tongue there is a nipple-like swellings. On the external surface of tongue there are many small nipple-like structure, meaning swelling, nipple-like swelling. These swellings are called papilla. In human, on the external surface of human tongue, 3 types of papilla are found, where 2 types of papilla are made up of cluster of gustatory receptors, and the cluster of gustatory receptors are called taste buds. On our external surface of tongue, there are 4 types of taste buds, and these 4 types of taste buds are, meaning 4 types of basic taste buds, and these 4 types of basic taste buds are sweet taste buds, salt taste buds, sour taste buds, and bitter taste buds. On the front surface of tongue, meaning at the tip of tongue, sweet taste bud are present, and just posterior and laterally to sweet taste bud, salt taste bud are present, and just posterior and laterally to salt taste bud and laterally sour taste bud are present, and in the posterior most part of tongue, in the center, bitter taste bud are present. Sweet taste bud helps in identifying the sweetness of food. Salt taste bud helps in identifying the saltiness of food. Sour taste bud help us in identifying sourness of food, and bitter taste bud help us in identifying bitterness of the food. Tongue help us in mastication of food, that is in chewing of food. Salivary gland is an exocrine gland. The secretion of salivary gland is called salivary juice or simply saliva. Saliva is made up of mucus, water, antibacterial enzyme, starch digestive enzyme, antimicrobial chemical, and electrolytes like NaCl. Function of saliva. Saliva helps in digestion of starch as it contains a starch digestive enzyme, salivary amylase, which is also called alpha amylase or ptyalin. Saliva helps in protecting us from microorganism as it contains antibacterial lysozyme enzyme. As it contains antimicrobial thiocyanate cyanate ion. Saliva helps in deglutition, meaning in the swallowing of food, as it contains mucus that acting as lubrication. Saliva helps in moistening the food, as it contains water, which is its major component. In the next video, I will tell you about pancreas, liver and gallbladder. Thanks.